When it comes to large format displays, this one stands out for professionals who need more than a regular monitor. This 70-inch Dell C7017M LED touchscreen is built for collaboration, presentations, and interactive workspaces. The moment it's powered on, it's clear that this isn't just a TV. It's a productivity tool designed to handle the demands of modern offices, classrooms, and creative studios. The screen size is immediately striking. 70 inches of visual real estate changes the way groups engage with content. In a meeting, every participant can see details clearly without crowding. In a classroom, students can follow along from any angle. Even for detailed diagrams or complex workflows, the large display ensures clarity and accessibility. The matte finish reduces reflections, so the content stays easy to read in bright environments, a common issue with glossy displays. The full HD resolution paired with an IPS panel ensures sharp visuals and accurate colors across wide viewing angles. No matter where viewers are positioned, content remains vivid and consistent. That makes it perfect for collaborative spaces, where multiple people need to see the same information at once. Touch functionality is where this display shines. The 10-point multi-touch system allows multiple users to interact at the same time. Writing, drawing, annotating, and navigating is smooth and responsive, creating a natural interactive experience. In brainstorming sessions, design reviews, or training workshops, this feature allows teams to engage directly with the content, replacing the need for multiple devices or traditional whiteboards. Build quality is professional grade. The display is sturdy, reliable, and designed to run for extended periods. LED backlighting provides consistent brightness while saving energy, and the durable construction ensures long-term usability. For spaces that rely on daily use, this reliability is a major advantage over older projectors that require frequent bulb replacements or maintenance. Connectivity options are extensive. HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort, and USB ports make it compatible with almost any device, whether it's a laptop, desktop, or media system. Switching between devices is fast, seamless, and efficient, reducing downtime during meetings or lessons. The integrated speakers are designed for clear spoken audio. They are perfect for presentations, online classes, or video calls. While they don't provide cinematic sound, they're ideal for environments where voice clarity is more important than bass or surround sound. In everyday use, this display transforms collaborative spaces. It replaces projectors, whiteboards, and multiple devices with a single, integrated solution. Teams can interact in real time, making work sessions more productive and engaging. For classrooms, it elevates teaching, while in corporate environments, it facilitates smooth and interactive presentations. If a workspace or classroom needs a modern, reliable, and interactive display, the Dell K1V3M C7017T 70-inch touchscreen is a powerful tool. It's built to enhance collaboration, productivity, and engagement in any professional setting. Check the link in the description to explore how this display can elevate your workspace or learning environment.